In this video, we are going to look at how we can build an interesting project with Bitquery API and other libraries, and the project is a copy trading bot. Now, the fundamentals of a copy trading bot are that you select an account that you think is performing profitable trades, and you copy each and every trade of that account in the particular instance itself. Now, let's get started and understand the queries that we are going to build or require in our project. So we'll go to the online IDE by Bitquery, and this is the query that we are going to use to get the trade details of this particular address. So you can see I have selected the text trade options, and for the filters I have selected in the where option that the trade by account address is the following. Other than that, my other filter is that the transaction result success is true. So I'm going to get details out of this query, which are the buy amount, the buy currency details like the name, symbol, and mint address, the price of the currency, the DEX details like protocol name, program address, and protocol family, the sell currency details like mint address, name and symbol, price and amount of the sell currency, and the transaction signature. So I'm going to run this query, and you can see over here we are getting the following details. Now, it could also be possible that when you are trying to run this project on your own PC, or when you're trying to build on this project, you won't get any output for this query because maybe this address won't be active in the last 10 hours or so. Because on Solana, we only have the real time support as of now. So, what you can do in those cases is you can use this query. Now, this query, what it does is it selects the text trades, and it select the option of the buy account address and the count, and it's going to order the result based on the trades, which is the address which has the maximum trades in the last 10 hours or so is going to be at top. So we are going to run this query, and we are going to get a bunch of addresses over here. So if this address doesn't work for you, you can select the address from here. Now, remember that if you're trying to build a real profitable copy trade bot, this is not this is not how you should go about that. Rather, you should target the addresses which have the highest PNL. But since this is a project slash tutorial, we are going to continue with this. Now, let's get started and understand the code that we are going to run on your local PC. So for this tutorial, I have chosen the Python language, and in this tutorial, we are going to go around the two functions which are get trades and execute trades. So firstly, let's see what our imports are. We have to import the requests and JSON and pandas. And I have created a constant file for important details like my Bitquery OAuth token. So I'm going to import that. So let's first understand the get trades function. So you can get this code for this from the online IDE itself. So what it does is it's the URL, and the payload is basically the query that I have already shown. These are the headers, and I get this response which I return as a JSON. So this is my get trades function, and let's now understand the execute trades function. So currently, since this is a tutorial project, we are not going to actually execute a trade, but rather we are going to store the trade information in an Excel file. So this is some basic error handling. Now we have DEX trades, and this is the code that would add the details of a trade to the Excel file, and it will print that the data saved to the Excel file after completing the execution. So what you can do is, if you want to actually execute a trade, is that you can use the Solana Pi library if you are interested in that. I think it has some good support, and you can check out the transaction section of the library. So what we'll do now is we'll run the file by this command, and you can see our data is saved. Now this is the trades detail that we have got for that particular address. You can see our buy currency is this Noki and our sell currency is the wrapped Solana. Other way around as well. So these are the trades that we have received for the particular address, and you can see we have the protocol name, which is the Radium, and the transaction signature is also here. So I'll be sharing the code for the project and link to the queries in the description of the video. Also, if you have any doubts regarding the project, or maybe you're trying new things with the project like executing the trade, and if you have get any doubts with that, you can contact us on our Telegram channel, the link of which is also in the description of the video. So like and subscribe and make sure to join our Telegram channel.